Hi there! In this video, we will explore how to remove inappropriate emojis in Gmail, chat, and docs using SafeDoc, a powerful tool designed to enhance productivity and security. In a school or workplace environment, the use of emojis can be fun and expressive. However, inappropriate or distracting emojis may disrupt focus and create an unprofessional or uncomfortable atmosphere. To maintain a productive and respectful digital space, administrators may want to remove inappropriate emojis from Gmail, Google Chat, and Docs. That's where ex-Fanatical's SafeDoc comes to the rescue. This powerful tool offers a solution to remove inappropriate emojis from Google Docs, ensuring students maintain a focused, respectful learning environment. Setting it up is super easy. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by setting up the SafeDoc block emojis policy, you can remove inappropriate emojis in Gmail, chat, and Docs easily. To know more, please visit exfanatical.com.